welcome to my new video. In this tutorial I will explain you how you can create a new Oracle Apex workspace in very few steps. First of all, we need a valid email because we have to confirm. To demonstrate this, I will select one email provider who can give me the email for 10 minutes. So I will open this website and take this email. After that, I open here a new tab and write here in the Google Oracle Apex login. Directly here, the first website is Oracle Apex sign in. I click this and then I can log in, but you can also see here is a button or a link, request a workspace. Then we click here and can enter all of our personal data. To demonstrate here, I will write here Apex node test. Then I will paste here the email and the workspace name. So I will write here max test 1 2 3 4 max 1 2 3, and yeah, and the country it's in German, and then I clicked here on the next button. Here, are you new to the Oracle Apex? No, it's for education. Yes. Then click here on the next button. Then we can write here something. We can write here make some YouTube videos. Then we can click here on the next button. We accept the terms and click here on the next button. And here is a summary page, and if all data are correct, then we can click here on the submit request button. After it's done, you have to go back to your email and check, okay, if you got one email or not. I will refresh the page. So as you can see here, I got one email from Oracle Apex to confirm here. I click the email and click then here create workspace. So as you can see now, the workspace will be created. Then we can click here on the continue to sign in screen and define a new password. So I paste here my difficult password. I will confirm the password and click on the change password button. So as you can see now, I am logged and this is my workspace. If I click here on the edit profile, yeah, I can see this is my workspace, this is my username, this is my address, and here's my first and last name. I can also upload a picture and change the password. Here is also another thing. We can work as a multiple developer, also in a team, on one workspace. For example, now I am here logged, but I will show you how we can create another user account. So I click here on the administration and then go to the manage and users, and then I can click here on the button create user. Here I will define the name. For example, the username is Max. Email address is max@maxmuster.de, and this is also an administrator, and we will also get all of these rights. So after that, I define here the password and require change of password on first use. I disable this option, and then I can create the user. So as you can see here are now two developers, and I will show you now. I am here logged with the first user, and what we are doing now is log in with another user. So I go here on the Google, write Oracle Apex login, go here to the first page, and workspace was this one. I copy this here in the workspace. The new username was Max, and the password is this one. So I click here on the sign in button. Then you can see now I am logged as a Max user, and on this page you can see here was another user. So both user can work now on one application, and this is a very good option. For example, we have a team with 3 or 5 developers, and all of these developers can build one application at the same time. So that's all in this video. I hope it was helpful and you are also able to create the Oracle Apex workspace. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.